This is our Ignite box plane. My name is Skyler. We're gonna set this thing up, get shipped to you in a crate. Hardware is gonna be in a bag, kind of tucked in the frame here. We're going to stand up the 3-point, connect everything up, use an adjustable wrench. Or if you've got 1 1/8" laying around, and we need 1 5/16" for our 3-point pins here. This is going to be quick hitch compatible right out of the box with all the hardware supplied. We're going to have to put in our back straps for the 3-point support and for the rear lift gate. To get started on this, your bag of hardware is going to be tucked inside this little frame here. Comes with bolts for the rear supports, the rear straps that hold the top link up and give that support. Comes with quick hitch adapters with the pins and the top link bolt. Orientate like so. Get the hole in the 2 notches up on the top. Just leave all these bolts loose until you get it assembled. That way it's easier. You're not fighting against yourself. The bigger pin you receive goes through the middle of your top link supports and is what holds your lift bracket, so it pivots around that and adjusts around this big pin. The smaller pin is what locks the lift arm, the lift bracket in place in either the down or the up position. For the lower lift pins, take a screwdriver, orientate your pin holes so they're vertical. That way you don't lose your pins, they're easy to put it in and out. Tighten this guy down. This is your 1 5/16", or again, you can just use an adjustable wrench. These are your quick hitch bushings. They just slide right on. Then your rear bolts and your top bolt here are your 1 1/8". And that's how you uncrate your box plane. And now it's ready to rock and roll. You want to make sure that this rear bolt, it is a lock bolt on here, lock nut, is pretty loose, so it's easy to adjust this guy up and down. We do have an optional hydraulic lift for this end gate here, and we do have an optional angle blade that goes in the middle here that we'll review in another video.